Hello, it's Joe Stump again, creator of the 5-Star Referral Center and founder of By Referral Only. Welcome to video number 2 of my brand new video series entitled Referral Accelerator Blueprint. In this video, I'm going to outline the exact blueprint for getting a consistent flow of quality referrals flowing into your business. Not referrals here and there, but a consistent, predictable flow of quality referrals each and every week. So if you've ever been maybe confused about all the pieces of generating a consistent flow of referrals and how it all fits together, and more importantly, what goes into producing massive success by systematizing the referral getting process, this video is for you. If you're a top producer right now, but you're just not growing as fast as you want, or maybe you're a veteran agent or a veteran lender that just isn't keeping pace with technology, or maybe you're feeling like you're just getting lost in the sea of competition in your local market. Or perhaps you may be a newer agent or a newer lender who has a long-term commitment to the real estate or the lending business, but you don't have a large enough network of friends and you're spending maybe a ton of money on internet leads and it isn't something that you really want to do. Then stay with me, because you're gonna discover why serious committed agents like you take the position of the go-to agent or the go-to lender in their community by bringing something so valuable to the table that businesses, service providers, family, friends, former clients, prospects, they all will be engaging with you on a regular basis, sending you a consistent flow of referrals for people who want to buy and sell. And you will always be top of mind, all because of your 5-star referral system.